If you're okay with telling just a little white lie, you might be walking straight into hell. Yeah, I said it. That's how serious this is. You see, we don't usually panic about lying. We save our fear for the big sins: murder, adultery, stealing. But the Bible, it puts liars on the same level as murderers and idol worshippers. That's not me being dramatic. That's God's own word. So let's start. But before starting, if you've not subscribed to our channel, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative videos. And don't forget to share this informative video with your beloved ones. In Proverbs 6:6, there's a list of 7 things the Lord hates, not dislikes, not frowns upon, hates. 2 of them are lies, 2 out of 7. That's a big deal, a lying tongue. And a false witness who pours out lies. Now ask yourself, if God hates something, how seriously should we take it? The nature of lying isn't just wrong, it's against God's very nature. The Bible says God is truth. Jesus himself said, "I am the way, the truth, and the life." John 14:6. So when we lie, we're not just bending the truth, we're siding with God's enemy. You know who loves lies? The devil. John 8:44 calls him the father of lies. When you lie, you're speaking his language. That's chilling when you really think about it. Let me tell you a story. There was a boy named Dave who kept telling lies. His dad had enough. One day, he brought out a new piece of wood and hammered 10 nails into it. He said, "Every time you apologize for a lie, we'll pull out 1 nail." Eventually, Dave said sorry for all of them, and every nail came out. But when he looked at the wood, he saw the holes that were left behind. His dad said, "That's what lying does." Even when you're forgiven, the scars remain. Let that sink in. Why we lie, let's be real. We lie because it's easier. We don't want conflict. We don't want to look bad. We're scared. But guess what? The Bible says, God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. 2 Timothy 1:7, fear leads to cowardice. And cowardice, according to Revelation 21:8, it's right at the top of the list of those going to the lake of fire. Yeah, the list includes murderers and sorcerers and liars. The lies we excuse, think about it. I'm 10 minutes away when you're still in bed. I'll call you back, knowing full well you won't. I'm fine when you're falling apart inside, we excuse them. We even call them white lies, like that makes it better. But sin doesn't change color just because we give it a cute name. Be prudent. The Bible talks a lot about prudence. That's the ability to think long-term. The prudent sees danger and hides, but the simple keep going and suffer for it. Proverbs 22:3. When you choose to lie, you're choosing the easy road now, and a whole lot of pain later. But when you tell the truth, it may hurt in the short term, but it builds trust and character and peace. You don't have to speak, can't tell the truth right away. Take a minute, say nothing. Even a fool is thought wise if he keeps silent. Proverbs 17:28. You don't need to speak on everything. You can literally say, I'll get back to you. Sometimes silence isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Your name is your reputation. Here's the bottom line. A good name is more desirable than great riches. Proverbs 22:1. Your word should be your bond, not just to others, but to God. Lies are expensive. They cost you your peace, your trust, and if you're not careful, your soul. So don't play with it. Tell the truth, or stay silent. But whatever you do, don't let lies define you. First Timothy 8:1.